We are going to make gammon egg and chips. It's a classic that you'll see on almost every pub menu across the UK. And this is how you do it. We're going to start by preparing the chips. So for that, we're going to peel them and then cut them into batons. Then we're going to rinse them under cold water to rinse away any of the excess starch. And then place them into a pan of salted boiling water and cook for 5 minutes. After that 5 minutes, we're going to take them from the water and place them onto a cooling rack to steam dry. We'll leave them for 5 to 10 minutes before placing them in the freezer and leaving them for 1 more hour before we deep fry them. Then we're going to prepare the pineapple, and for that we need to cut off the top and the bottom and then stand it up on one of the flat sides. I forgot to mention that you do need to peel it. Then cut the pineapple in half and then lay each half flat and cut each half into 4 strips. Then we're going to remove the core, which is the woody section in the middle. It's not very pleasant to eat, so we're going to take that out. And then we're going to place the pineapple strips onto a tray lined with greaseproof paper. The pineapple will need to cook in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for roughly around 20 minutes to half an hour. Next, we're going to take the gammon, and if it's still got the skin attached, we're just going to make little cuts around the skin because that'll prevent it from curling up when we come to cooking it. For the gammon, place a frying pan onto a medium-high heat and add in 1 tablespoon of oil that's suitable for frying. Once the pan's hot, place the gammon into the pan and sear it on each side for 2 minutes. Once both of the gammon steaks are seared on each side, place them onto the same tray as the pineapple in the oven to finish off cooking all the way through. At this stage, we can place a pan for deep frying onto the hob and fill it halfway with oil suitable for deep frying. Heat the oil to 160 to 180 degrees Celsius before frying your chips. Take the chips from the freezer, gently place them into the oil. You may need to do this in batches and cook them until they're nice, crisp and golden. At the same time as finishing off your chips, place a frying pan over a low heat and add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add in 30 grams of butter, and once it's melted, crack in your 4 eggs and cook your fried eggs just how you like them. Place your chips into a bowl lined with kitchen towel to absorb any of the excess oil and season with sea salt. To serve, place your gammon steaks onto the plate and then lay on your fried eggs. Finish your fried eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, add your pineapple on, and then a nice pile of those golden crisp chips. So that's how you make beautiful home cooked gammon egg and chips with a little bit of pineapple. I hope you enjoyed this one and I can't wait to eat this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.